how to fix Snapchat being slow on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat being slow on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here just type Snapchat, click on it, and first thing you need to try is to click force stop here and then go to storage clear cache, and after that just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem it means that you need to clean some space. Go to storage, click clean up, now just clean anything you want here, or you can just clean junk files or cache, and after that go back to battery and disable power saving mode, and if that also doesn't fix your problem, now just close all the applications in the background and try again, and then go to Play Store and check if there is any update, and then just update your snap and your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.